Hey guys, welcome back to Greentgarden. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to start your seeding indoor, and I'm going to give you guys some awesome tips and tricks how to make it simple and easy to start your seeding indoor. Okay, so this is my indoor seeding setup right now. As you guys could see, I do have my trays, and I already made my name tags, and I got all my seed containers next to everything. So guys, before putting in the soil, it's a great idea to just know how much seed you want to plant, know exactly what you're planting, and have everything organized before start filling up everything with soil. So you can see the simple soil that I'm using here from Miracle Grow moisture control. The reason why I picked this, it's a more loose, fluffy soil. It doesn't have a lot of wood chip or mulch or anything inside, because a lot of other soil guys, they have a lot of wood chip or mulch inside. You know, from this I go outdoor, then I use my natural compost and soil outside. So this is just for get a kickstart. All right guys, so after you got your container, you figure out how much seed you're gonna plant, and you figure out how much container you need. The next step is going to be filling up all your soil. So I'm going to go ahead and fill up all the soil, which is the messy part. So make sure you have a countertop or somewhere you could easily, just clean it so you don't make a lot of mess. Alright guys, so far this is how we're coming around. Wanted to show you guys that I really don't fill my container all the way up to the top. As you can see, there's some space in there. The reason why I do this, guys, because if I'm adding in some water, it'll sit right here. It doesn't like run over here, or it doesn't run over to the side and mess up with dirt. So I always press it in a little bit so I have room for water. Alright, so we're gonna come up here with the beetroot. So with the beetroot, guys, basically everything padded. What I'm gonna do, we're gonna go like at least quarter inch down. We could do one, and then we could, if you're doing two, you could just make one hole here and one hole. That's two. If I don't go down too deep, because the root pushes down, so like quarter inch, and like if we're looking at maybe somewhere up to here, because then the root pushes all the way down. So that's there. And I'm gonna show you, look, some of the sticks and stuff that I found from here. Some of the plants, some of the soil that I use, guys, you'll find a whole plate. So this is not bad, coming out from this right now. So let me open up and show you guys the seed real quick. The seeds are on these guys, and anywhere, are tiny little seeds. So always make sure you get your sign, and you could always squeeze it in. Always squeeze it in over there. And then, all right, say an example, we make our hole right here. So our little tiny seed, and you just drop it in right there, close it back up. And what you could do, you could take your finger and just pat it down like that. And when it comes to watering, guys, it's not a big deal for these. Don't overwater them. You could either use a spray bottle. The spray bottle sometimes get messy, but you gotta squeeze it lightly like this. Just a little bit of water to just start the processing. I gotta add more water actually. But you can see it's no mess, no spill, nothing. Or what you could do, a next option, you just fill a cup of water and just put a little bit. This is a little damp and a little wet. It's good, it gets to the seed, and that's how the process starts. So remember, guys, to get the process going, you have to water in. So I'm gonna fill that up with more water, and I'm gonna go right through and just do all the seed. Alright guys, so this is it after finishing putting in the soil, the seed. And then as you guys can see, my name tag, it'll let you know exactly what you plant, especially like this right here. Like this row coming up here, you could see it's kale, and then this row coming up here, it's spinach. So I did 2 to 3 seed per spot here. And I don't go more than 3. Only if the seed is like, some of the seed is really small. Sometimes just pinching it, you end up putting a lot more seed. So far, you guys can see it's moist. No water's leaking out. And I'll show you guys. And looking good so far. It'll take about 5 to 7 days to germinate. And some of time you'll see it before. I'll make a video and show you guys how it's looking. And this is it. It's easy. That's all you guys have to do. And within 2 to 3 weeks, these will be ready to go outside. Greenhouse, I'll be putting them in the greenhouse. And I'm gonna leave them on here. I'm gonna leave them on top of my countertop right here until it's time. So this is my spot that I picked, so I don't have to move it around. Alright guys, so hopefully this video was helpful. And if it was helpful, guys, always give thumbs up and subscribe. It's 100% free. Plus, also, if you click the bell icon every time I upload a video, you guys will get a notification right away. And if you guys are interested in any of the seeding tray, or you want to get your hand on the soil, check the link in the description, guys. And if you guys are now starting off and doing your own seeding and stuff, guys, comment below. Let me know how it goes. And I'll do another video to show you guys an update how it is. And then hopefully soon I'm going to be heading out to the greenhouse for a cleanup. So I'll show you guys what a mess is in there right now and how we're going to clean up and bring it back and get it ready for spring, guys. Thank you guys for watching Green Tea Garden.